Hello, what's up my people? How una dey? I don't carry another better update carry come. Now today I want make we talk about this particular update. Now I've been come here a few days ago or a few weeks ago. I can't talk about this particular update. Some people ask me some questions. Some people say they like them. Some people say they don't like them. I talk say if anything new come up, I go let una know. So today something new don't come up and I make me they do this particular video. We'll talk about what me Bytrading. We'll talk about some features so they can get. We'll talk about their pros and cons. I go drop my ratings and then I go drop my small thing I don't collect from this update. Now make you don't forget to like this video, share this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that if I drop new update they go notify you and now you go be the first person to come check them out. Thank you very much, and don't forget to follow me for my hidden account. Follow me, don't reach over 2,000 followers there. Follow me so they go to collect update for my site. And I beg make you know say this one no be tutorial, this one now review account drop. My tutorial day my hidden account. If you want to check any of my tutorial, follow me for my hidden account. This one now review they different from tutorial. And make you don't forget to comment where they watch this video from for comment section. Now first of all, waiting be Bytrading now update will come account us if they do one or two inside their update make you they call it. I don't they test them and I make me come here come do this particular video. First of all, they get plenty features. Then get feature where they talk if you put small thing for the update. And that small thing when you put now you go use they do all those small tags them before you go collect. So now the first feature where they get be that. Then get another feature their news where if you go there check different events where they for the platform. Then get another feature where they talk say if you put small thing for the platform they go give you extra small thing add to that one where you don't put for that particular platform. Then get another feature where they call them affiliate program where we say if they use the update and you enjoy the update, if you tell one of your friends and they will come follow you check out the update. Now they get another feature for this particular update where they call BTC28. That one are the one where we say if you use the trade Bitcoin, make it they call it and things like that. They get Ethereum, they get plenty features for the platform. But one of my favorite feature where they for this particular update now this feature where they call their calculator. This one will help you break down the small thing where you don't put for the update. You go break them down so that you go know how you go use them take they do anything we want to do for this particular platform. Now one of my favorite feature be that. Another thing we then get now their Telegram channel will be say then talk say if they collect signals from this their channel make you use they trade Bitcoin and things like that for this particular update. Now another thing too where you need to know about this update then talk say and they offer waiting then they call compensation. They don't say if you use their update make you they trade and at the end of the day everything where you put for the update can't go, you understand. Say make you carry your trading history, show their customer service, say they will give you waiting then they call compensation for this particular update. Now waiting I like about them. So now some of the features where they get be that so I can't use them, I can't they trade at the use and they collect. That one no mean say you know getting pros and cons, so you understand. So you know mean say no get pros and cons. So the first pro be say they get different features if you access. Another pro be say they get all these small bonuses so if you use they collect the whole body. Another pro they get be say they get their calculator, they get their Telegram channel, all these small tools if you help you so that you go they trade for this particular update. Then get active customer service if you help you out in case you get some more problem. Now most of them not going to understand the benefit of customer service until you get issues with your bank like OPay and PalmPay and if they find who to talk to, nobody there to help you. Now that time you go understand the value of a customer service. So any update we get active customer service, respect those particular people. Recently they can't add Naira where be say most of them we say you want come small thing for your account. They add Naira. Will be say if you come small thing for your account. Waiting be some of the cons where they get. Waiting no can make sense be say they no add Naira. Say you go put something. If you want put something, they no add Naira option. They got the only USDT option they there. But if you want come something, the Naira option they are not to like na con be that because you know be everybody sabi use USDT things like that. You understand? So now the first con be that. The second con I talked this one before. This update they just let's say they copy each other because most of the updates where they like this all of them just they almost the same thing. I don't know why. Another con be that. Now another con what I don't like about this update be say the minimum amount where you go put your small something, the minimum small something we go put now around $10. You understand? Around $10 and for some people it dey high. For some people based on the way I don't observe for some people because $10 now if you give you around 13 to 15k for Naira, you understand. So that con way I don't like about the update Now be that. But apart from that, anything will come up, I go let you know. Another con what I don't like about them be say they change their links well. So today they go use this kind of link, tomorrow they go use another link, next tomorrow they go use this one, next tomorrow they go use this one. Then they change their links well. And I don't like that kind. Any of the way they like to change links like that, it stress person well. So I don't like that particular part about this update. If they stop that part, I go they happy when you understand. So now some of the pros and cons with that, and I go rate this update 6/10. If I want to rate the update, I come most thing from this update today. If these people allow me, I go drop on for my screenshot and say I've been common my small thing from this particular update, you understand. And I don't do another small video like that it dey my sitting account here, or I go pin up for this video in comment section. Go make you go watch that particular video where I do it dey my seeding account, you understand here. So with this update the update still dey active, although they get one or two small issues like that. But if they feel work on all these issues, the update go make sense where you understand. So now my own opinion be that, waiting be your opinion. You don't use the update makes sense for your side, they collect from the update, it okay for your side, I be no they okay. Just drop your opinion for comment section, my people. I will see you now for my next video, and bye for now.